Liberal Viewer present.
So, in 2005, when U.S. Supreme Court Chief Justice John Roberts was up for his Senate confirmation vote, most Democrats thinking of running for president in 2008 voted against his confirmation, presumably to protect themselves in case sometime before the 2008 presidential elections, Chief Justice Roberts started revealing a willingness to abandon legal precedents protecting a woman's right to make choices about her pregnancy. One exception to this rule was Connecticut Senator Chris Dodd, who therefore had to explain his vote to confirm Chief Justice Roberts in this clip from the April 26 Democratic presidential candidates debate.
Senator Dodd, you were the only senator on this stage to vote to confirm Chief Justice Roberts. Do you regret your vote?
No, I'm disappointed terribly by the decision that he reached the other day because he did something he said he wouldn't do. He said during his confirmation hearings that he would uphold precedent. That was a very important answer he gave.
But is it really fair of Senator Dodd to claim that Chief Justice Roberts did something he said he wouldn't do? I couldn't find any unambiguous promises from nominee John Roberts making an explicit promise to uphold precedent, as you can see reported in this CBS News clip from 2005.
Tried as scrupulously as possible today to avoid making any commitments about cases that might come before the court.
The first flashpoint, abortion rights. The key question, is the precedent of Roe v. Wade so strong that Roberts would not vote to overturn it?
I do think that it is a jolt to the legal system when you overrule a precedent.
Now, saying it is a jolt to the legal system to overturn a precedent is not the same as promising not to do it. In fact, I think the worst you can say about John Roberts' confirmation testimony from Senator Dodd's perspective was that it did leave Dodd at least room for doubt on how Roberts would vote. I even found another CBS clip from 2005 in which Gloria Borger used this benefit of the doubt standard, saying,
"Sending that nomination out of the committee by a surprisingly bipartisan vote, Democratic Senators Leahy, Cole, and Feingold voted yes. Some Democrats were surprised by their votes, but in voting aye, they all said that they had to take Judge Roberts at his word, that he is not ideological, that he believes in precedent, and they were giving him the benefit of the doubt."
So, what do you think? Is it fair of Senator Dodd to claim that Chief Justice John Roberts did something he said he wouldn't do? And, comparing the amount of spin from both men, who do you think was more misleading? Supreme Court nominee John Roberts explaining how he would treat legal precedent, or Senator Chris Dodd explaining why he voted to confirm John Roberts?
YouTube, you decide.